There's an uncle looking at me. Oh my god, man. Shit. Oh, can you please go in? Yeah, sure.
Please don't look at me, bro. Bro, excuse me. We ain't going to any parties in 2020, sis. Why did you even get sequins?
Hey guys, what's good? What's popping? It's your girl Bhavna back at it again with another exciting video. Oh boy, it feels so good to say this after 10 freaking days. I know I've been off. Let me just explain myself first. I know I've not been consistent. I have a legit reason for that. Let me just say this. Now, I had some issue with my laptop display, so I had to get it fixed. So I went to the Apple store. I gave my laptop. They were initially about to take 1 week to return my laptop, but it happened to be 10 days. I only edited one video prior to giving my laptop, so I could put up that vlog, the previous vlog, and I've also filmed a couple of other videos, but I didn't have any device to edit on, so that's the reason I was MIA. But anyways, I'm back right now. I hope you guys missed me. I missed you guys too. So without any further ado, today is a really exciting video because it's a Zara haul. I'm so happy with all the purchases and I can't wait to show you guys. Also, as usual, you'll be finding all the links to all the outfits that I'll be showing you in this video in my description box. So if you like anything from this collection, so you know what to do. So without any further ado, let me just shut my mouth and show you guys what I actually got. Okay, so the first thing that I got is this jacket. If you can see, really bright blue color jacket. I've actually posted about this on my Instagram that I didn't find my size. I still didn't find my size. I mean, in jackets I'm usually XS, but there was no XS available. I tried, I waited, but like S is also to be gone, so I just picked up S. It's kind of baggy. I mean, I won't be lying, it's kind of baggy, but I think I enjoy baggy outfits sometimes, yeah. But the color, you guys, I am a big time sucker for blue, so I couldn't resist but get this. And it was initially priced for 2,790 rupees, but I got it for a discount of 1,190 rupees. Yeah, this is how it looks like. So you see, it's really long, so it covers all the way till your back, and you have these ribbed detailing on the ends. Really loved it. Okay, so the second outfit that I picked up is also a jacket, but I'm super duper happy with this purchase. Like, look at the jacket, y'all. Look at the jacket. It's so cool, it's so good. You have the fox leather detailing here and at the back as well. It was initially priced for 4,000 rupees, like 3,999, but I got it for 1,190. I thought it was a great deal and there was only one XS available, so I had to pick it up. The quality is so good, the material and the quality is so good. It's more like I got all of these outfits for a very great deal. Like, it's almost like I've purchased Zara outfits for a Shein price. It covers all the way till your back. It also has the ribbed detailing at the end, if you can see. Overall, I really liked this jacket and I'm so happy with this purchase. I think it was for a great deal. Like, getting 4,000 rupees jacket for 1,190 is like a steal deal. And the next one is also my favorite because it has this cheetah print on it. If you know me, I am obsessed with cheetahs and leopards. They are my favorite wild animals. If given a chance, like if I'm allowed, not now, of course not now, but if given a chance, I would really like to pet a cheetah. I am so obsessed with them. I cannot explain. Don't get me wrong, I'm not weird, but yeah, that has been my obsession since childhood. So I had to get it and I absolutely love it. It has this polo neck detailing, which is also very cozy. Like, it keeps you very warm. I am more into sweatshirts and cozy stuff. I like fulans. By the way, this is also from Zara. I'm just gonna talk about this in a moment. It has long sleeves, so it just keeps you warm and cozy, and it's a really good fit. I'll tell you the price just a moment. Shit, I think I lost the price tag of this. Oh, I wore this once, so I think I removed it by then, but I'll try to mention it on the screen somewhere you guys can see it. I just cannot, like, I'm super obsessed with this print, you guys. Okay, I need to stop. And the next one is also a sweatshirt. I'm sorry, but yeah, the same print again, but in black and white. So it says just happy, and this is how it looks like. When I wore this, it was so comfortable, it was so me. I enjoy outfits which fit me like a glove, but I also enjoy outfits which are baggy, loose, and so I can just be myself, like walk out and say, what's up, bro? It's that kind of a vibe. Okay, so this is the one that I got. I really think it's so cool. The print is so cool. You can style it with jeans, you can style it with anything. It looks super cool. Let me just tell you the price of this. So this was for 1,590 rupees, but I think I got it for 590 something, 590 rupees. I got it in the size S. The next thing that I got is really colorful. This was not on off, but it was just for what? Yeah, it was for 990 rupees, but I was super duper impressed with the color. Sometimes I really love poppy colors, okay, like neon orange, neon pink. It just lifts my mood. So the moment I saw this, it was like I need to have that in my life. It's really comfortable. It's not like a very thick material. It doesn't like cozy you up, but I think I'm fine with it. Oh, you don't have any pockets, so you have a cut here at the end. It's also full length, which is great again. Next, we are left with 3 outfits. One which being a pink cropped tank top. Now, I'm not a pink person. I don't like pink, but this neon pink was like, oh, this is not neonish, this is kind of like a fuchsia pink. I really like the style of this crop top, and I think it just fits my body like a glove. It was for 390 rupees, and there was no off on this. You can pair it with your black leggings, or you can pair it with your shorts, denim jeans, baggy pants. I can like style my outfits in every possible way. Okay, so the next one is a sequin dress. It's not a dress, but it's a top. But what is a Zara haul without a sequin piece, right? You guys know I'm all into blingy, shiny, dripping with shimmer things, so I had to pick this one. This is what it looks like. It's a very beautiful silver top. It has this hanging neck in the front, and it's in the size, I think you don't have XS in this, you only have S, M and L, so I thought S is my size. It was initially priced for 1,590 rupees, but I got it for 790 rupees. Trust me, I buy Zara when there is a sale going on. That's it. You can pair it with black jegging, black legging. Mostly I pair it with black jeggings. I know you guys might be thinking,
We ain't going to any parties in 2020, sis. Why did you even get sequins?
I don't know, I just feel like dressing up at home and looking good for you guys. Is that too much to ask for? I just want to look good for you guys. I mean, like, I don't have anyone to look good for. Okay, so before showing you guys the last piece that I got, I just want to show you guys this one which I got. This is again like a sweatshirt. I can't name it as a sweatshirt because it's not loose. It just hugs my body and makes me feel so good and cozy. Don't mind the foundation stain here, but I really love the color of this. It's a little cropped, if you can see, but yeah. And mainly I don't have any outfit in this shade. It's like a lilac purple, so yeah, I really like this. I think I got it, it was initially priced for 1,590 rupees, but I got it for 590 rupees. Okay, so the next top that I got is this one. This looks so pretty. I don't have anything like this in my collection. The shade is so good. It's a very beautiful taupe shade. I'm not able to hold it, wait. So this is how it looks like. It fits my body so perfect. I just really loved myself when I wore this for the first time. It has a deep neck, but the only thing which I was a little disappointed is that, can you see this, you guys? Can you see that it got a little ribbed? Zara is very good in like returning stuff, so I didn't have any problem with that. But the thing is, the same top is not available in my size, so I thought I'll just leave it, because again, if I return this top, I won't be able to find the same one, and I absolutely loved this, so I thought I'll just get it fixed with someone, and yeah, this is what it looks like. I really loved the way it looked. Okay, so this was initially for 1,290 rupees, but I think I got it for like 490-ish, I guess. I'm not sure, 490 or 590. Okay, so are you guys ready for the last piece? This is what I got. This is like a really pretty bralette, but I don't like wearing this on its own because hello, your girl is not ready for that. She's not having a Victoria's Secret body. So I think I figured out a way to wear this top. I really like wearing this on a white shirt. I think it looks more flattering on me, and I got it in the size S. You also have XS, but I think that'll be too tight for me. It was initially priced for 1,590 rupees, but again I got it for 590 rupees. Everything which I got is really worth it and worth the price. I mean, I got it for such an amazing deal. I'm super duper happy with this purchase. If you are thinking of purchasing any of these outfits, then hurry up. This is the time. I think the sale is about to get over. So if you like any of these outfits, make sure you guys click the link down below, and it'll take you directly to the page so you guys can shop if you like any of these. And also there is an Amazon haul coming really soon. I purchased few home decor items, so there's an Amazon haul coming, and also there is a Nykaa haul, the Nykaa hot pink sale haul coming. But the thing which happened to me with the Nykaa hot pink sale is that, never mind, I'll just tell you guys in that video. So yeah, I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I'm so sorry for being MIA. I'll really be consistent from now on. So yeah, I think that's it for today's video. If you made it till the end, then please like this video if you liked it, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon right beside it so you get notified every single time I post a new video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in my next one.